Hey doctor, my father is not able to breathe properly. Can you please check? Yeah, sure. Please bring him into the scanning room. I have a doubt. How are you able to detect the problem without even checking him? This is a digital twin that tracks the health of your father. What is a digital twin? It scans various biomarkers such as the hormone level, the fat building up in your livers, or any number of the cancers. This scanner was invented by QBio, which is a US company. Okay, and what does it do of this data? This data is used to create a three-dimensional digital avatar of a patient's body. This is also known as digital twin. This data can be used to detect any disease in a patient's body and would be updated with each new scan. Whoa, this is some crazy shit of technology. But would my father be saved? Don't worry, he will be saved. But if you found this informative, do like it and subscribe for more.